This might actually be a good poem, but I just want to read it. It's called Dear Blizzard Entertainment. Dear Blizzard Entertainment, we need to talk. It's not me, it's you. It's not World of Warcraft, it's Overwatch 1 and 2. Your May has given us mercy, but I found someone new. NetEase gave me ease and gave me something to wander, something to wonder, something to marvel, rivals. Overwatch, you did give us Roadhog, but that hunk of meat named Mako. But Marvel did give us Jeff. Jeff is a shark. He is the shark. Jeff the shark is a strategist, healing support, and he's the cutest shark that ever did shark, and he will make his teammates beg. Overwatch, you did give us Widowmaker, but Marvel Rivals gave us Black Widow. They are both pretty comparable, but I can't believe that you said Black Widow is actually a clone of Widowmaker. How dare you? Black Widow is hotter and less dead, unless you watch the MCU. Overwatch, we won't forgive you for how you led us to only show us him and, Wrecking Ball. He's a hamster in a mechanical hamster ball, and he has cables to swing around, and he's a literal wrecking ball. You also have Junkrat, who's not a rat but shoots grenades. Well, Marvel has a much better response to both of these characters, and her name is Squirrel Girl. End point. Lastly, I want to counter your Moira, the evil scientist who supports and does damage. Well, Marvel introduces Clack and Dagger, who essentially does the same thing, but get this. Dagger is your nice bombshell baddie, and Cloak is a black man who always stands behind her. There's some kind of symbolism there, but we can just appreciate that at face value. And no counter here, but you named a guy after one of your own, McCree, who's done some heinous things and you had to rename him to Cassidy. And enough counters, Marvel Rivals gives us Storm. Is she good? No. But she is the blackest woman that ever did Black Woman, and I will play her every time.